Hello everyone, this is Rupushri teacher of nursery class from Vivekananda International School. Today on 12 January 2022, I am here to share my view and celebrate together National Youth Day and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. National Youth Day is celebrated every year to remember Swami Vivekananda on his birth anniversary. Swami Vivekananda believed that youth is the most precious time of life and underutilizing the potential they passed is loss for the individual as well as for the nation. He stated that highest value of youth period is immeasurable and incommunicable as it is the most valuable phase of life and the way it is utilized will decide the personality of coming years that lie ahead. He also stated that the happiness, honor, success, and good name all is depend on a way in which one lives during his youthful days. The youthful days are the utmost interested, and he provides an anecdote in which he states that youthful days are just like the wet clay in the hand of potter, and the potter with his skills mold it. Similarly, the youth as well needs to be molded to make them better human beings. Hence, he rightly stated that youth is the future of our country. Swami Vivekananda always motivated the youth of the country and spoke about the right use of the youth in the development of the country. Swami Vivekananda is known for thinking out of the box and speaking of his mind. He explained how to channelize the youth's energy and potential of the youth into concrete concepts. His outstanding speech always motivated the country and youth. He always explained how youth can recognize their potential and voice their opinions. His inspirational speech helped the youths to fight against the British and fight for independence. Some quotes of Swamiji on Youth Day: Go, all of you, wherever there is an outbreak of plague or famine, or wherever the people are in distress, and mitigate their suffering. Preach this ideal from door to door, and you will yourself be benefited by it at the same time that you are doing good to your country. One you light the future hopes of our country. Freedom can never be reached by the weak. Throw away all weakness. Tell your body that it is strong. Tell your mind that it is strong and have unbounded faith and hope in yourself. My hope for the future lies in the youth of character, intelligent, all for the service of others and obedience. Good to themselves and the country at large act on the educated young men. Bring them together and organize them. Great thing can be done by great sacrifice only. No selfishness, no name, no fame, yours or mine, nor my master's even. Work, work the idea, the plan, my boys, my brave, my noble, good souls, to the wheel, put your shoulders. Please, everybody, without becoming a hypocrite and without being a coward, hold on to your own ideas and strength and purity, and whatever obstruction may now be in your way, the world is bound to listen to you in the long run. Talk to yourselves once in a day, otherwise, you may miss an excellent person in the world. It is very easy to point out the defects of institution, all being more or less imperfect. But he is the real benefactor of humanity who helps the individual to overcome his imperfection under whatever institution he may live. Onward, upon age of a struggle, a character is built. Be not discouraged, one word of truth can be lost. For ages it may be hidden under rubbish, but it will show itself sooner or later. Truth is indestructible virtue and indestructible, purity is indestructible. Nothing will avail in our country without setting a glowing and a living example before the people. What we want are some young men who will renounce everything and sacrifice their lives for their country's sake. We should first form their lives and then some real work can be expected. Neither money pays, nor name pays, nor fame, nor knurling. It is character that cleaves through adamant walls of difference. At last, remembering his words on the birth anniversary today, take up one idea, make that one idea your life, dream of it, think of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, the body, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success and this is the way great spiritual guides are produced. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.